Hey there, young space explorers. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more fun quizzes and learning adventures. Now, get ready to blast off into the wonders of our space and solar system. Let's test your knowledge about the moon, planets, comets, and more. Are you ready? Let's begin. 1. What is the center of our solar system? A. Earth, B. Sun, C. Moon, D. Mars. Answer: the Sun is the center of our solar system. 2. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, D. Mercury. Answer: Mars is known as the red planet because of its reddish appearance. 3. What is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Earth, B. Saturn, C. Jupiter, D. Neptune. Answer: Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. 4. What is the smallest planet in the solar system? A. Mars, B. Mercury, C. Venus, D. Pluto. Answer: Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. 5. Where do most comets come from? A. The asteroid belt, B. The Oort cloud, C. The Milky Way, D. The Kuiper belt. Answer: most comets come from the Oort cloud. It is a distant region at the edge of our solar system. 6. Which planet is closest to the Sun? A. Mercury, B. Venus, C. Earth, D. Mars. Answer: Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. 7. Which planet is known for its beautiful blue color? A. Mercury, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, D. Neptune. Answer: Neptune is known for its beautiful blue color. 8. Which planet is called Earth's twin? A. Mars, B. Venus, C. Mercury, D. Jupiter. Answer: Venus is called Earth's twin because it is similar in size and structure. 9. What is the natural satellite of Earth? A. Sun, B. Jupiter, C. Mars, D. Moon. Answer: the Moon is the natural satellite of Earth. 10. What do we call a rock that enters Earth's atmosphere and burns up? A. Comet, B. Asteroid, C. Meteor, D. Planet. Answer: a meteor is a rock that enters Earth's atmosphere and burns up. 11. Which planet has the fastest orbit around the Sun? A. Mercury, B. Venus, C. Mars, D. Jupiter. Answer: Mercury has the fastest orbit around the Sun. 12. Which planet is famous for its giant storm called the Great Red Spot? A. Earth, B. Neptune, C. Mars, D. Jupiter. Answer: Jupiter is famous for its giant storm called the Great Red Spot. 13. What is the name of Pluto's largest moon? A. Titan, B. Europa, C. Charon, D. Ganymede. Answer: Pluto's largest moon is Charon. It is almost half the size of Pluto itself. 14. Which planet is known as the morning star or evening star? A. Mars, B. Venus, C. Mercury, D. Saturn. Answer: Venus is known as the morning star or evening star because it is very bright. 15. What is Pluto now classified as? A. Planet, B. A dwarf planet, C. Asteroid, D. Star. Answer: Pluto is now classified as a dwarf planet. It does not clear its orbit of other debris. 16. What is the name of our galaxy? A. Andromeda, B. A black eye, C. Orion, D. Milky Way black eye. Answer: our galaxy is called the Milky Way. 17. What do we call a group of stars forming a pattern in the sky? A. Galaxy, B. A planet, C. Constellation, D. Comet. Answer. A constellation is a group of stars forming a pattern in the sky. 18. Which planet is tilted on its side and rotates almost horizontally? A. Uranus, B. Neptune, C. Saturn, D. Jupiter. Answer. Uranus is tilted on its side and rotates almost horizontally. 19. Which celestial objects are made of ice, dust, and rocks and have tails? A. Asteroids, B. Comets, C. Meteors, D. Planets. Answer. Comets are made of ice, dust, and rocks and have tails when near the Sunday 20. Which planet has a day longer than its year? A. Venus, B. Mercury, C. Mars, D. Jupiter. Answer. Venus has a day that is longer than its year because it rotates very slowly. 21. Which planet is known as the gas giant? A. Mars, B. Mercury, C. Venus, D. Jupiter. Answer. Jupiter is known as a gas giant because it is mostly made of gases. 22. What is the study of space and celestial objects called? A. Biology, B. Chemistry, C. Astronomy, D. Geology. Answer. The study of space is called astronomy. Astronomers study planets, stars, galaxies, and other objects in space. 23. Which planet is closest in size to Earth? A. Mercury, B. Mars, C. Venus, D. Neptune. Answer. Venus is closest in size to Earth. 24. What spacecraft took astronauts to the moon? A. Voyager 1, B. Apollo 11, C. Hubble, D. Gemini 7. Answer. Apollo 11 took astronauts to the moon. It was the first mission to land humans safely on the moon. 25. What are small rocky objects that orbit the sun mostly between Mars and Jupiter called? A. Comets, B. Planets, C. Meteors, D. Asteroids. Answer. Asteroids are small rocky objects that orbit the sun, mostly between Mars and Jupiter. 26. Which planet has a storm called the Great Dark Spot? A. Uranus, B. Neptune, C. Saturn, D. Jupiter. Answer. Neptune has a storm called the Great Dark Spot. 27. What is the name of the first human to walk on the moon? A. Yuri Gagarin, B. Buzz Aldrin, C. Neil Armstrong, D. John Glenn. Answer. Neil Armstrong was the first human to walk on the moon. 28. Which planet is the hottest in the solar system? A. Mercury, B. Venus, C. Mars, D. Earth. Answer. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system because of its thick atmosphere. 29. Which planet spins the fastest on its axis? A. Earth, B. Mars, C. Saturn, D. Jupiter. Answer. Jupiter spins the fastest on its axis. 30. Which planet is known for having a very thin atmosphere and extreme temperatures? A. Mercury, B. Mars, C. Venus, D. Saturn. Answer. Mercury has a very thin atmosphere and extreme temperatures. 31. What do we call the path a planet takes around the sun? A. Orbit, B. Rotation, C. Axis, D. Revolution. Answer. The path a planet takes around the sun is called its orbit. 32. Which planet has the most moons? A. Neptune, B. Saturn, C. Uranus, D. Jupiter. Answer. Jupiter has the most moons in the solar system. 33. Which is the only planet known to support life? A. Mars, B. Earth, C. Venus, D. Mercury. Answer. Earth is the only planet known to support life. 34. What is the main gas in the sun? A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Hydrogen, D. Carbon dioxide. Answer. Hydrogen is the main gas in the Sunday 35. When did humans first land on the moon? A. 1959, B. 1965, C. 1969, D. 1975. Answer: humans first landed on the moon in 1969. The Apollo 11 mission made history that year. 36. Which planet has a surface covered with volcanoes and mountains? A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Mercury, D. Earth. Answer: Venus has a surface covered with volcanoes and mountains. 37. Which celestial body produces its own light? A. Moon, B. A planet, C. Star, D. Asteroid. Answer: a star produces its own light through nuclear fusion. 38. What do we call a rock that hits Earth's surface? A. Comet, B. Meteorite, C. Asteroid, D. Meteor. Answer: a meteorite is a rock that hits Earth's surface. 39. What keeps planets in orbit around the sun? A. Magnetism, B. Gravity, C. Electricity, D. Wind. Answer: gravity keeps planets in orbit. It is the force that pulls planets toward the sun. 40. What is the largest moon of Saturn called? A. Europa, B. Ganymede, C. Titan, D. Io. Answer: Titan is the largest moon of Saturn. Awesome job, space cadets! You've traveled across the solar system and explored the mysteries of space. Keep reaching for the stars, because learning never ends. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our next exciting quiz adventure.